everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is a cake full of berries. It's super easy to make and very delicious. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First, let's prepare the batter. 400 grams of flour in a big bowl and 250 grams of room temperature butter. And let's mix it together, first with a spoon, then with our hands. Now let's add 100 grams of sugar and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Now let's add some lemon zest and mix it all together. Let's crack one egg and beat the egg with the fork and add it into our mixture. Let's mix it together and keep mixing with our hands. When it's all done, get 1/3, leave it in a bowl. Meanwhile, let's prepare the form with some baking paper and let's put our base. Now set it into the oven in 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. Let's prepare the filling. I'm using some peaches and cutting them into squares. Adding them into a bowl, then some blueberries, some raspberries, and 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Now let's mix it all together. Let's add the filling into the pan with the base and spread it with a spoon. Now let's add the remaining piece of the batter, the 1/3, and crumble it on top. Now we set it into the oven in 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 or 45 minutes. When it's all done, you can let it sit or eat it still hot. Take it out of the form and plate it. Let's cut it into bite sizes too. And this is the recipe. Try it out. It's delicious and super easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.